When life starts throwing around some hard knocks, sometimes you just have to bear with the punches and treat it like a challenging boxing match. It can be tempting to throw in the towel. You might even have walked away from what you really wanted, believing that maybe this battle was not one you could win. Defeat doesn't have to be permanent, as long as you remain willing to get up and try again. There's no stopping you from attaining your dreams. If you want something bad enough, realize that it's your tenacity that can get you to where you are headed. Sometimes half the struggle is just hanging in.